On this iMovie tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add music into your videos on iMovie Mac. This is super easy to do. So I have this example video right here, so I'm just going to play it.
It's time for an iMovie tutorial.
This is my example video that I use for a lot of my iMovie tutorials, just so you can see some kind of continuity between different iMovie effects. So this is what you do. This is super easy. All I'm going to do is click away. I like to have the audio that I'm about to use on my desktop, but you can put it anywhere that you want. All I'm really going to do is just click the audio that I want, drag it in. As you can see, it automatically appears. I can put it anywhere that I want, so I'll just do this. And quick side note, in case you didn't know, I'm also a DJ and electronic music producer. So this song, KT Bounce, is actually the main song I use in my outro video that I'll be using for the outro or the end screen of this video. So I'm gonna click here. Now, as you can see,
it's time for an iMovie tutorial.
Or if, let's say, I just want the audio playing, let's say I almost want it to be a montage in a sense, I can duck this audio out, bring this audio up, and then, right? Obviously, I can adjust the point that I want to appear on. Like, let's say I want it to be more of like a heightened part of the audio. I can... Now, one last thing I have to stress for this video is that when it comes to editing videos for YouTube, let's say you're watching this video because you want to know how to edit videos for YouTube, remember, you have to have the rights for any song that you use on YouTube. This is super annoying because if you use a song that's copyrighted that you don't have the rights to, you'll lose all the monetization revenue from that video, which is super annoying and super frustrating. So make sure that any song that you use for YouTube or basically any other social media platform, just to be safe, make sure that you have the rights or that you know it's a royalty-free song.